another video. In today's video, we're continuing our little pastry series that you've been seeing me do. We're going to do a rainbow cake. Now we're going to use quick and easy recipes that I think everybody have access to. In today's recipe, we're going to do 2 cups of baking flour, all-purpose flour. I find it's too heavy for this recipe, guys. Sugar, if you prefer to use G sugar, granulated sugar, that's okay. Salt, we're going to use baking soda, baking powder, milk and oil, also vinegar and vanilla. Alright, this is a very easy cake to do, guys. I mean, the holiday season is up on us again, and guess what, you can use this for the holidays, or you want to use this for a birthday cake. Perfect. I find that it has an awesome texture as well. I hope you guys give it a try. Let me know as well. Stick around. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this. First thing first, we want to add the apple cider vinegar to your milk. We're going in with 2 teaspoons. This will kind of give the milk like coagulate it a little bit, which is what is very important for this cake as well. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can always use regular kitchen vinegar, white vinegar. You can always use that. And the milk of choice that I'm using is the soy milk. And I will suggest you sift your dry ingredients. Combine our dry ingredients together. Add in our sugar as well. What you want to do is to combine your dry ingredients with your wet to form a smooth batter. No lumps. We're going to go in with 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Alright, now that our butter is looking and tasting nice, what we're going to do is to divide it into 2. You want to divide it into 2 equal parts, right? Colors I have, guys, I have blue and I have pink. I've done 2 layers already, so I'm going to go in with the pink and the blue. And you go in with the color that you think, the shade you want, alright? And I'm using the Wilton food coloring. It's always good when you can have a vegan cake recipe on hand, right? Because you know, any occasion come up in our lives and you can be able to, you don't want to go out and feel left out if you're going to go to a party. You can bring a cake, and it's vegan cake, and trust me, this one tastes just like a regular cake that contains eggs. In fact, it tastes even better. Because when I used to go out and get cake, it doesn't matter what you want to put in there. Say cut the rawness from the eggs, guy, you still smell it. So I never used to like that. Alright, so what we're going to do now is to use an 8-inch baking pan. You want to make sure your oven is preheating. No need to knock your pan, right? Because guess what? We don't want it to release the gas of the baking soda and the apple cider vinegar. So we're going to add this to the oven and come right back. You want to let these cool for 5 minutes and turn them over. Okay guys, what we're going to do now is to cream the fat until it's light and airy. Start on low and then you can gradually increase your speed. This is how it looks after it has been creaming for about 7 minutes. Cream together now the icing sugar with your vegetable shortening. To secure your cake, you're going to blow like a tablespoon of icing on your cardboard here. Going in with our first layer. And guys, if you don't have a turntable, what I used to do before I got a turntable, I used to just use a plate, like a bowl, and then a flat plate on top, where you can turn it just the same. You have to be careful though, but it can work. As a matter of fact, that's how they taught us in school. If you don't have something, we improvise. Alright, so let me show you. Before I put on the last layer of cake, I'm going to show you what I did. What I did with my serrated knife, I removed the excess skin from the cake. This is just when you bake your cake, you're going to have the oil and the sugar foam up and have that thin little sticky layer. I want to remove some of that. See? And if your cake is going to be uneven, or if you see that it's heading in that direction, what you can do is to put some of the icing a little higher on that side, right? Going in with our last layer, and you notice I turn it right side up because the top here is flatter than the other side, alright? We're going to coat the top area of the cake here. Okay guys, with your cake comb, I'm going to just level out the side here. And you can continue to do this until it's perfect for you. Okay, if you like your cake half naked, you can stop. If you want more, add more. You can't go wrong with using a cake comb. And you use the side that you prefer. They have different styles as well. And the cake comb, the nice thing about it is that it takes off most of your the excessive icing. So you just work better with it, right? I'll be finishing off the cake with some small rosettes at the top. The piping tip that I'll be using is the 1M. You do the same for the bottom. This is it, guys. The birthday message will be written on the inside when I'm finished. Now I wanted to show you guys how the actual cake looks. This one is 3 days old, and this was my tester, so I'll save piece for you guys so you can see the texture of it. It is very nice and soft, not because I was the one who baked it, but you can see that it's very soft, right? I hope you give this recipe a try, guys, and listen, this is easy. You can keep it as a recipe that you can always run to for any little plain cake. I find this one is very nice. Look at that. Look at it. Very nice texture we have here, guys. Honestly, it's not heavy. It's light enough, and I love it. You see it maintain its niceness, right? Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.